Ano yan? Ano?
Kakamali.
Kakamali. Hindi naman ako Tagalog. Jump cut mo.
Pagkakamali.
Pagkakamali.
Yun.
Isa ka bang aspiring artist na gusto magsimula ng career mula sa mga artworks mo? Nagsistruggle ka ba kumita sa mga artworks mo? Ito yung mga advice ko paano ita-transform yung digital art into a business. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. Before anything else, I would like to thank you for watching my recent video on how to start a clothing brand. If you want to see more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel and click that red button below now. Sa video na to, i-guide ko kayo kung paano maging business yung digital art nyo. Since nanonood ka sa video na to, I assume na isa kang creative individual. Kahit hobby mo lang to, malaki yung potential ng creative skills mo. Oh, ito guys, controversial to. They say art is about self-expression and art is not about the money. Para sa akin, oo, yung art ay isang form of self-expression. No doubt. But ito yung tanong ko. How can I continue my passion for art without money? Paano ko mabibili yung mga gamit ko? Paano yung mga duties? How can I sustain what I love to do? Paano? Ganito yon. Showcase your art. Paano makikita ng mga tao yung mga works mo? Paano mo to ma-represent in a professional way? You must create your own portfolio. Yung portfolio mo, yung magsisilbing digital art gallery mo. Ito yung pinaka-main na kailangan mong gawin. Lagi mong tatandaan na yung portfolio mo, yun yung mag-a-attract ng mga possible opportunities. Ang dami mga portfolio websites na pwede mong gamitin ngayon. Behance, Dribbble, DeviantArt, Squarespace, Adobe Portfolio. Kung ready na yung portfolio mo, it's time to upload your artworks. You must upload the best of the best. Dapat yung style ng artwork mo yung pinaka-center of attention dun. I-upload mo yung mga 5-star quality na mga gawa mo. 10 out of 10. Avoid uploading unfinished projects or projects you are not confident enough to showcase. Also, make your domain simplified and not too long. For example, yung website ko is nicolonimor.com. Kasi yung pangalan ko is Nicolo Nimor. If you're gonna put a domain that is like blink182666999.com, ang hirap i-memorize, ang hirap hanapin, ang hirap i-type. So guys, again, portfolio, pinaka-importante, okay? The next one is personal branding. Ano ba yung personal branding? By the root word brand, yung personal branding is paano mo i-present yung sarili mo at yung mga artworks mo. Katulad ng isang business, kailangan ng branding. Also, as an artist, kailangan mo din ng branding. Alam mo kung bakit? There's a lot of amazing artists nowadays. Dapat yung personal branding mo makakatch ng attention visually, physically, and verbally. May mga artists na ngayon na naka-establish na ng mga personal branding and they have their own logos and their names. Pero yung personal branding, hindi lang to about sa name, sa logo, sa style mo. Also, it's all about making a connection to your audience. Although personal branding may sound disgusting to some, as what I've said, this is the main foundation of your marketing. This is where you begin. Ano yung mga benefits nun? Establish your expertise, grow career opportunities, and find the right clients and business partners. So guys, paano ba natin establish yung personal branding? Well, kailangan mo ng onting soul searching dito. Kung mag-e-effort ka talaga sa personal branding mo, you will stand out from your competitors. The first thing you need to build is your character. This way, you can communicate with your audience visually. Identify your target market. Dapat nakadikit yung personal branding mo sa niche market na gusto mo. For example, ako as an artist, I'm trying to establish a more vibrant feel with a touch of dark imagery. Sa niche market naman, yung tinatarget ko yung mga comic book fans, yung mga tao nanonood ng mga cartoons, and fans of old school skateboard artworks. Yung next step is to use your authentic voice. Share mo yung expertise mo kung saan ka magaling. At the same time, hayaan mo lang makita yung mga imperfections mo at mga weaknesses mo. Being true to yourself makes people relate to you more. The next thing you need is to be a credible resource. Dapat alam mo talaga yung ginagawa mo at i-share mo din yung mga best practices sa mga works mo.
One eternity later.
Oh, speaking of authenticity, nalubat yung camera ko. So, gabi na ngayon. So, nag-iba na naman yung lighting natin. Pero, diretso pa rin tayo. Next one is to live your brand in an everyday life. Dapat nagre-reflect yung personal brand mo sa everyday life mo. Most importantly, strive to be number one. Do your best to achieve and dominate your target market. So, meron ka ng portfolio, na-establish na din natin yung personal branding mo. Ang susunod niyan, darating na yung mga opportunities sa'yo. Magkakaroon ka ng mga private commissions. Now, let's talk about private commissions. What is private commissions? Yung private commission, yun yung main na nagbibigay ng income stream sa mga digital artists. However, some artists are not great negotiators or business-minded. Kailangan talaga mag-create ka ng good impression at maayos kang kausap. Kung magdatingan na yung private commissions mo, ito yung mga best practices. Know exactly what you're being asked. Lagi mong i-check kung ano yung kailangan ng kliyente mo sa'yo. Before starting a project, kailangan mo mag-come up ng mga concept, kailangan mo mag-submit ng mga sketches for approval. Listen to the client's ideas and suggestion, even if it's not your creative journey. But always put your own touch to it. Tandaan mo na ikaw yung pinili ng kliyente mo para sa project na to. Next one is state your terms. Dito na papasok yung income mo. Dapat clear yung agreement nyo ng kliyente mo. It's always fair to ask 50% upfront payment from your client before starting the work. For bigger projects, you can also consider monthly payments. Makakatulong kapag may payment terms kayo ng client mo. This keeps yourself and your client invested on the projects on a professional way. Ito, importante to. Always stick to lead time. Kailangan mong mag-set ng lead time depende sa complexity at nature ng project nyo. Be responsive at lagi kang nag-a-update kung saan ka na sa project nyo. Huwag kang magsayang ng oras sa mga kliyente na hindi nila alam yung gusto nila. Instead, take a step forward and offer them your ideas. Remember, time is gold. Make good relationships with your clients. Hindi ibig sabihin no na shoshyotayan mo yung kliyente mo ha. Huwag kang mag-expect na lahat ng mga commissions mo will go smoothly. But don't let few bad experiences ruin the potential of great ones. Like what I've said, always be open to your clients' ideas and receive them on a positive note. Tumutulong lang naman sila sa project na gagawin nyo. Try to educate your clients with your work process para mas lumalim pa yung kaalaman niya sa project nyo. Kung maganda yung experience nila at komportable sila makipagtrabaho sa'yo, they will come back for more. Now, na kumikita ka na sa mga private commissions mo, alongside kung gusto mo pa madagdagan yung source of income mo, maybe active or passive, sell your merchandise. Personally, mas kumikita ako more on merchandise kaysa mga commissions ko. This is where some artists missed a golden opportunity. Karamihan sa mga artists gumagawa ng mga commission para sa mga clients nila and gumagawa din sila ng mga personal projects along the side para makapag-relax din sila. But what if you'll turn your relaxation time into money? Ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga example kung paano natin ibenta yung mga artworks mo on the side. Physical merchandise. Put your artworks on t-shirts, posters, and accessories. Mga bagay na pwedeng masuot, magagamit, at madi-display. Bibili yung tao di lang dahil sa product mo, kundi dahil sa brand mo at ikaw yung artist. Pero tandaan mo, hindi to madali e-effortan mo talaga to Like printing, packing, taking orders, and shipping. Ito, may isa pang way. Passive income naman to. Isa pang way is to sell resources. If you're the kind of artist that wants to provide resources to other creative individuals, pwede mo din i-consider magbenta ng fonts, vector stocks, stock images, brushes, templates, and other downloadable goods. Madalas na overlook to ng mga artists kasi iniisip nila sayang lang to ng oras. Actually, this is one of the most underrated ways to make money as a digital artist. Kahit natutulog ka, kumikita ka There's a lot of ways to sell this. You can check websites like Creative Market, Sellfy, Gumroad, and many more. Ito, example, si Dustin Lee ng Retro Supply, he makes fonts, vectors, and textures, and he makes $250,000 by doing this. Napapaisip ka na ba? Gagawa ka na ng mga font? Gagawa ka ng mga stock vectors? Keep in mind, kikita ka din dyan. Alam mo na kung paano kikita yung artworks mo. Hindi ka pa kontento, may isa pa. Collaborate with other artists. Nasa generation na tayo kung saan yung mga artists nagko-collaborate with different disciplines. The best definition of collaboration is to work together for success. Marami ako natatanggap na mga collab request. Yung iba doon na turn down ko, pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na hindi ko sila gusto katrabaho. It's about quality and benefits for both sides. Kailangan mo talagang i-filter kung sino yung gusto mong kakolab. Give careful consideration to skill, experience, motivation, and compatibility. Or should we say, makipagtrabaho ka sa mga tao na same interest gaya sa'yo. As an artist, ito yung pinaka-recommend ko sa'yo. Social media marketing. As an artist, based on my experience, ito talaga ang pinaka nagmamatter sa panahon ngayon. Lahat naman siguro merong social media accounts ngayon, no? Social media is a very powerful marketing tool. In case you didn't know, may mga ibang artists ngayon na hindi nila tinitake yung social media seriously. Noon, puro personal life ko yung pinopost ko sa social media ko. Katulad nung ano yung kinakain ko, ano yung binibili ko, pati yung mga problema ng ex ko dati. I soon realized that as an artist, I would post more of my works rather than my personal life. Kahit nga yung mga political opinion ko, hindi ko na yun pinopost kasi ang sakit talaga sa ulo. I started deleted my personal photos on Instagram and started to post more of my life as an illustrator and my artworks. Nung ginawa ko yun, mas dumami yung mga followers ko at yung engagement sa mga artworks ko. As an artist, ano kaya yung best practices sa social media? Post more quality content. Instead of posting ng mga bagay na wala namang katuturan, why not post sketches of your drawings, the materials you're using, anything related to your artworks? Mas okay kapag may added value content yung pinopost mo para sa mga audience mo. Your goal here is to attract followers that would be interested in your art. If you're trying to attract strangers, you wouldn't want to attract them with your personal pictures. To make the story short, being on social media is how you market your artworks fast. Ito, sobrang importante ito. Be consistent. Be consistent in your content, style of imagery, and frequency. Also, keep in mind to engage more with your audience and your fellow artists. Building a network is really important when marketing your art. As what they always say, surround yourself with people who talks about ideas and visions. Ito, sekreto to, pero hindi na kasi sasabihin ko na talaga. When I started posting art on social media, I grew my Instagram account from 250 and now it's 12,000 in a span of 1 year. Also, I'm getting around 1,000 to 3,000 US dollars in private commissions every month. Kung gusto mo mag-expand yung exposure ng mga artworks mo, promoting it on social media would be the best. I think this wraps up our video for today. If you have anything else to add, questions, or topics you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments below. If you like what you've been watching, don't hesitate to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. See you in the next video.